So you have a Garmin Forerunner 935. I'm going to show you how to use the Find My Phone feature. Basically, you lost your phone somewhere in your house and you're trying to find it. Simply go ahead and grab your Garmin watch, and then what you want to do is just go ahead and press and hold the light button here. And then you get all these apps that show up here. What you want to do is go to where the phone is, right here, and that is Find My Phone. And then from here, simply just go ahead and tap on the start stop right here. To stop it, press on the back button right here. Okay, so even if the phone is totally black like that and you go ahead and you try to, it's automatically going to light up, okay? Now the thing is, even if you have your ringer, your silent mode, even if it's on silent mode, like right now, it's still going to ring. However, remember this, okay? If you have your volume all the way down like that, and then you push the Find My Phone, the only thing it's going to do, it's on silent mode, okay? It's on mute right here. The only thing it's going to do is just go ahead and wake your phone, okay? So just FYI. Good luck finding your phone.